Hi everyone, I'm Gajraj Singh. I welcome you to my video Dirty USSD Hack. But before starting, let me clear two things. The video is made for the awareness purpose. Please do not try it. It may indulge you in a problem. I'll not be responsible for any illegal use of this hack showed in this video because it is to aware people about this hack. So before starting USSD hack, let us understand what is USSD. Unstructured Supplementary Service Data is a protocol used by GSM cellular telephones to communicate with the server provider's computer through a special USSD code. So what is the USSD code? While hearing USSD, it seems that it is a technical thing or not an easy to understand term, but it is not so. Every person uses one or more USSD code in a day while using his or her mobile phone to check his prepaid balance or to start or stop any service. A commonly used USSD code is *123# to check prepaid balance. A USSD code commonly known as Man and a Machine Interference Code (MMI). So what is the dirty USSD attack all about? This is simply an attack in which a hacker provides a malicious USSD code to the user or the victim by any means. It may be NFC, web message, QR code or a website. What he can do is he can wipe all your data from the phone or wipe out your prepaid balance or can transfer your money to his bank account remotely. How this attack works? The attack basically works with the use of a protocol called TEL. The protocol basically is used to make click to call links on the web page. What a hacker can do by using this TEL protocol, he makes a fake website offering you free recharge or something else, motivating you to click on a link or on a website. As soon as you click on the link, you are hacked. What a hacker does here, he inserts a malicious code with this protocol with which a normal user cannot identify and gets hacked. How to make these click to call links? It is very easy to make click to call links with TEL protocol. Normally code to make links in HTML web pages, ahref, which is a function in HTML to make web page links. Ahref equals to http is to // this is the protocol used, and then attacker.com is the website address. This is a code to make link which is not shown on the web page. What we see on the web page is the title, which is click me, just after this code. As soon as the user clicks on this button click me, the user gets redirected to attacker.com. So what a hacker does here, instead of defining the link, he defines the protocol TEL and the USSD code instead of the phone number just after the href function. Let's say I want to make a click to call link where, like, as I click on that link, which is click me to call 99999, I should call the phone number 99999. So the code for this click to call link will be ahref TEL TEL is the protocol here, then then the phone number. This code will not be seen on the web page. What we see is click me to call 99999. So what a hacker does here, instead of providing this number, he provides his malicious USSD code, which you can see here. See, ahref TEL your USSD code here. This code is not shown on the web page. What we see is this click me. A hacker modifies this number to USSD code, right? A URL containing TEL tells the browser to initiate the phone dialer to that number, to call that number or to run that USSD code provided. This is an attack. Wipe out phone's data remotely. First of all, I would like to tell you this vulnerability was found by a security researcher, Mr. Ravi Shankar from Berlin. The attack was the hacker sends a malicious link to the user. As the user clicks on the link, his phone gets formatted in 3 seconds and the user cannot stop it anyhow. But this vulnerability was patched by the phone companies, but the devices which are not updated still today, those are vulnerable. But what the company did in the update was it disabled the function of formatting the phone from USSD code but didn't update the phone tailor to differentiate between phone number and a USSD code. Here I discovered a vulnerability in USSD code which lets an hacker transfer your balance from phone or ATM cards. The vulnerable devices are almost every Android device, Jelly Bean ICS or older versions too. Google Nexus series, HTC One series, HTC Sensation, Samsung Galaxy devices, Motorola Droid devices, Sony Ericsson. How wipeout attack work? The hard reset code used to format phone was star 2767 star 3855 hash. Let us take an example now. I sent a text message to my victim containing a link of a website freerecharge.in, and after that I had written browse this site to get your free recharge. It is assumed that 99% of the users will visit the website just to check out is the website really providing free recharge. As the user visited this site without even clicking on any link, his phone gets formatted, and there is no way to stop this. But how? This is the main question. How did this work? What the hacker did, he coded the home page or the index page of the website like that as the user visits the site. As the user clicks on the link of the site, the code gets executed just because the dialer cannot differentiate between the phone number and the USSD code, and without any warning, his phone gets formatted. The web page contains just a one-line JavaScript code which was script window.location equals to tell the protocol colon the USSD code which is star 2767 star 3855 %23. %23 is a hex code for hash. It has been encoded because of URL encoding. What URL encoding is? URL can only be sent over the internet using the ASCII character set. Since URL often contain characters outside the ASCII character set, the URL has to be converted into a valid ASCII format. URL encoding replaces unsafe ASCII characters with a percentile sign followed by 2 hexadecimal digits, and that is the reason hash has to be written as %23, where percentile is the sign and 23 is the hex code for hash. Our target. Basically, I'm an Airtel user and I found out the vulnerability in one of the Airtel USSD service which is known as Airtel Money. It is a great service offered by Airtel which offers you to pay bills, to recharge phones, to book tickets, to send money to someone's bank account and much more. It is great service by now and 90% of the Airtel users use this service. Even I use this service many times for various purposes. First, let us see what are the steps of Airtel Money. Let us say we want to recharge a phone number of Airtel. You need to dial first star 400 hash. As you dial, you are prompted with a screen like this. Here it gives you many options: register, pay phone DTH, star, send, withdraw money, pay bills and buy, pay shop, book ticket and my account, change language. What we have to do, we have to recharge the phone, recharge another number. So we will select a second option. After we select 2 and click on send, we are redirected to a window like this which asks us the phone which you are recharging is Airtel prepaid, Airtel postpaid, Airtel fixed line, Airtel digital TV or other prepaid recharge. So here we select Airtel prepaid. As we are a prepaid user, we don't have to pay bills, otherwise we have to select 2 if we have to pay postpaid bills. So here we select 1 and click on send. Then it asks us that you have to recharge your cell phone number or any other phone number. We have to select 2. Then it asks us the amount. Then it asks us then it asks us the phone number. Then it asks us the amount. Then it asks us, it gives us a confirmation message that are you confirmed that you have to recharge this number or not. We select yes, we have to recharge. So we select 1 and send. Here comes the last step. It asks you to enter your 4-digit MPIN, mobile PIN, which is the PIN which is secured. That is generally a security PIN to secure Airtel Money users. Generally, if you are the owner of the mobile, you know your Airtel MPIN. But if you are a hacker, then here comes the use of your social engineering techniques or information gathering techniques. If you are target a particular user, generally as per my research, in 90% of the cases, this pin is 1234 or it is 0000 because this pin is very easy to remember. Here we have to enter the pin and after clicking send, our recharge is successful. You can also set up a fake base station with an OpenBSC. OpenBSC have fake basic USSD support. Base station can initiate USSD communication. You can collect users and pin, but this principle is very complicated to set up. Uh, so normally no one will go for it. The vulnerability. The vulnerability in the service is if you remember all these 8 steps, then you can write whole of the code at once, all the step at once separated by an star, each and every step separated by an star. So you'll get your desired result. Like say star 400 is the USSD code for Airtel Money, then star 2 is the attribute, then star 1 is also an attribute. All these after the star are the attributes of this USSD code star 400 hash. So what we do, star 400 hash star, then 2 the pay option, then we have to select one star 1 Airtel prepaid, then star a phone number, then star the amount, then star the confirmation, then star the MPIN, and then %23, which is the hex code for hash. Demonstration. Here I have used my social engineering techniques to manipulate the user. I have made a fake website which asks the user to share the link of the site with at least, oh I'm really very sorry, with at least 10 people. Then it asks the user to enter the amount and then asks to follow some easy steps. So I have made a website. Let me show you the demonstration. I have registered a free domain getfreerecharge.pixip.com and I have made this website like a demo website which says get your free recharge in just 3 simple steps. To get bonus of rupees 250, share the website with at least 10 people. This is for that the user will to get rupees 250 extra, he may advertise my website. Then in this box you have to enter the amount. Let's say maximum is 500 already given. The user gets excited and he'll 90% of the cases, 99% of the cases the user will insert 500 rupees only. Now click on this recharge me button. Note, I've given a note. Just after clicking the recharge me button, you will be prompted with your dial pad with a recharge code. Say within 2 seconds you have to press your call button. This 2 seconds manipulates the user to press the call button within 2 seconds, as because he thinks if he will not press in 2 seconds the recharge won't be done. Then at the end you have to press this and recharge me button. Now this code I have, when clicking while I'll click this code, I've coded this link as when I click this link my IMEI should pop up. You can see the source. It is tel colon like ahref equals to tel colon star %23, which is hash 06%23. Right. Now let us see the example. I have connected my Android device with my computer, with my laptop, sorry. Now see. You can see a website. Now what I'll do, I'll send a message to this device. Simply. Now I have another phone. I'll send a message to this Android device saying that hey, visit this link if you want a free recharge. Okay. Now I'm sending a message. 69. Yeah, I have sent. Now I'll receive a message. Now I'll receive a message on my phone as I'm sending a message. Sorry. Now see, I have received a message. I'll show you. You can see 200 messages. It is hey hi, for free recharge please visit this link. You can see hey hi, for free recharge visit this link, http www.getfreerecharge.pixip.com. Now I'll click on this link. What will happen, I'll be redirected to the website getfreerecharge.pixip.com. Now as I have told you that if I'll click on the first recharge me option, I'll be prompted to the IMEI code. Now let us see. I clicked on the button and I'm prompted with my IMEI code. That's okay. Now again I visit the website. Now see, here I'll insert the amount. As I have already inserted rupees 500, I'll press this button, recharge me. Now here in this last button, recharge me, I've coded the Airtel money code. Sorry, I have inserted the Airtel money code here. You can see AHREF, the TEL protocol, *400, *2, *1, *2, star phone number, star the amount, star confirmation, star my pin, and %23. Now see what happens as soon as I click on this link. I'll get a recharge on this phone. Now you can see, you just see, I pressed, and within 2 seconds I pressed the call button. USSD code running. I got the warning. Payment successful. Rupees 10 paid to air, prepaid, mobile, debit. You received the confirmation message that you have paid. You can see my phone. Recharge successful. And in my phone I have received a confirmation message that Airtel money payment 2968, the phone number has been successful. See. So here this is the attack. Now I think you can understand what was the attack. Again to the presentation. This vulnerability is not only in Airtel but also exists in many other operators. Like in Vodafone, the code for balance transfer is *131 amount *receiver's number #, which is again the victim of this attack. The vulnerability can also be used for Nigerian scams. Website may motivate the user to click to call links. These click to call links may contain numbers starting from +92 and say if the user gets motivated and dial this number, his balance get deducted and the person behind the fake number are benefited from these deductions. How to be secure? First of all, I would like to tell you iPhone and Windows Phone users are already secured. The vulnerability lies in Airtel phones. Airtel user should never believe on these websites offering you click to call links. It can be easily identified because it starts with an star button. Android user can also download an app from the Android market which is ESET USSD control, which blocks the USSD code. At last, the company should have a check on the USSD code service before serving the user request. It should reject the USSD code which offers or sorry which sends two or more requests at one time using star as in separator. The last step is not in user's hand, because this has to be done by the company itself. And this Android app ESET USSD control, what it does is it gives you a warning before running this USSD code. It gives you a warning like a potentially harmful USSD code *#06 is about to be executed. Should I run yes or no? Then you have to select yes or no, and generally it is recommended to select no. Thanks for watching my video. I hope you liked it.